In America, it's go, 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 go. It's you're on the go constantly. And I've realized that in the Gulf countries, especially Oman, life, you can enjoy life, but you can relax and you can still make the money that you want. In America, it's very hard to earn the dollar. It's very busy life.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आपका अपना बिलाल मोइन और आप देख रहे हैं बिलाल मोइन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज से कोई 4 महीने 4.5 महीने पहले मैंने आपको कहा था कि भाई अमेरिका से मेरे क्लाइंट जो है उनका पेमेंट आ गई है और अब हमने करनी है उनकी कंपनी फॉर्मेशन और उनको हम यहाँ लेके आएंगे। आज 4 महीने के बाद वो वक्त आ गया। मैं खड़ा हूँ इस वक्त कुरम के सिग्नल पर और ग्रैंड हयात होटल में जो है वो मेरे क्लाइंट ठहरे हुए और उनको मैं लेने जा रहा हूँ। दे केम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम अमेरिका टू ओमान और अब मैं उनको लेने जा रहा हूँ इंशाल्लाह अज़्ज़वजल और उनको समझाएंगे, बताएंगे, सारी चीजें दिखाएंगे ओमान की। तो ये वो चीजें हैं जो देखो पुराना नहीं होता, सोशल मीडिया कभी पुराना नहीं होता। आप जाओ देखो मेरी वीडियो और मेरे लफ्जों की जो पुख्तगी थी उस वक्त वो आपको सेम मिलेगी। ये है वो कमिटमेंट जिस कमिटमेंट के साथ हम यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो बोलते हैं वो पूरा करते हैं और उसको दिखाते भी हैं। तो चलो जरा चलते हैं। खूबसूरत सी मस्कत की ये कुरम के इलाके की मस्जिद है। मगरिब का वक्त हुआ जाता है, मैं जरा नमाज पढ़ूं उसके बाद फिर आगे चलेंगे इंशाल्लाह। तो भैया हम आ गए ग्रैंड हयात होटल में। 5 स्टार होटल है यहाँ की है और यहाँ से अब हम उनको पिकअप करेंगे एंड देन विल गो। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आपका अपना बिलाल मोइन और आप देख रहे हैं बिलाल मोइन यूट्यूब चैनल। अच्छा, मैंने आपको थोड़े दिन तो नहीं तकरीबन 4 महीने पहले बताया था कि अमेरिका से हमें जो है वो पेमेंट आई है और अमेरिकन क्लाइंट जो है वो हमारे सल्तनत ओमान आ रहे हैं बिजनेस करने। सो वी गॉट अवर अमेरिकन क्लाइंट्स हियर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। There she is. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to Oman. How you are feeling like for Oman?
Alhamdulillah, it's amazing. It's a different experience. It's just the beach, the people, the food, and the brother here. It's just Bilal bhai has been amazing. So thank you, Bilal bhai. Today we had good food.
So ma'am, where are you from? Just tell something little bit about the audience.
So basically, if you know Rehanna's Cuisines, I start off by saying thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Rehanna's Cuisines. So basically, I have a cooking channel and I also do business from home, which is called Dummy Jars, and I am on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on most social media. So you can check out my channel, but this is what we want to do. We want to go further. We want to bring the experience of what we do to Oman.
Inshallah. So right now you are situated in Minnesota, right?
I am
you are
from
based
Minnesota.
in
Yes.
Minnesota, right?
Yes.
And the same brand we are going to have here in Oman, right?
Definitely.
For the cookies and this, can you show a little?
Sure. So this is just one of the ideas that we do. We do cake pops, we do chocolate covered Oreos or cookies, we do pretzels, we do all sorts of things so that you can experience these happy things with your kids. So we do all sorts of cake pops and bakery items, and I also do videos as well.
So tell us something like what is the difference between life in America and life in Gulf country, not particularly Oman but Gulf country. Why you're doing this stuff?
Your mindset is different. Our mindset in America, it's go, 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 go. It's you're on the go constantly. And I've realized that in the Gulf countries, especially Oman, life, you can enjoy life, but you can relax and you can still make the money that you want. In America, it's very hard to earn the dollar. It's very busy life, very busy life.
So guys, if you want a good life, a good happy life, not just money life, a go life, so there is an opportunity for you also in Oman. Like ma'am came here and inshallah we're gonna tell you about this brand furthermore, and you can have your queries and all these stuff also. And very soon we're gonna see a big name with the name of Rehanna's Kitchen, right? Cuisines. Rehanna's Cuisines, inshallah. And you can order your all these stuff also, inshallah. We will surely gonna open very soon because just now they reached here and they're all. You didn't get like scared. You are sending money to some stranger, and if something happened, then what will be the things?
So, like on my YouTube channel, Rihanna's Cuisines, I have made connection with people around the world. I was in Dubai and I met a fan who was basically honest to God. If you're watching Fozia, you can also say that this was the truth that happened. You know, she said she was dreaming to meet me one day, and it just so happened that we went for dinner and she came up to me and she goes, I've seen you somewhere. It's the trust, it's the honesty. It's when you watch somebody, you get a connection. With Bilal Bhai, it was all my husband. I cannot take credit for it. Bilal Bhai connected with my husband, and he's been, corresponding, and it took him a lot of time to convince me to come here. But I think that it is the best thing that I have ever done is to connect with Bilal Bhai. Very honest, and he's just, you feel like you've known him a lifetime.
That's what we do. Actually, we are making family here. You know, it's not just business. We are trying our best to get people here who can do their work and who can settle down here. So thank you so much, ma'am. Inshallah, we'll be in touch, and more people are watching. There are many more are coming, inshallah. So we're gonna have this all stuff and all these, outskirts as well. In near future, you will see both of us together, inshallah, also in some channel.
And we did eat food at a very, very wonderful buffet we had in the restaurant.
Yeah, it's barbecue tonight. We are here. Yeah, it's well-known cuisine here in Oman, specialty. So we just get them here to try some, essence of our own, flavors. So hope you enjoyed it, right?
I absolutely enjoyed it, and I would be back. And if you're in Oman, do not hesitate to stop by this restaurant. It's amazing food.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So भाई ग्रैंड हयात पे मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया है अपने क्लाइंट्स को, and now we are going back to home. Let's go.